Step 2. Setting up Kobo for data collection. To use Neat with Kobo, you will need to do the following. First, log into your Kobo account or create an account on the Kobo website from your computer. Click the New button to create a new project. In total, you will create 2 new projects, one for the environmental sensitivity module and one for the activity modules. We'll start with the environmental sensitivity module. Select Upload an XLS form and either browse to or click and drag the file Neat Sensitivity Kobo XLS. Enter your project's details and then select Create Project. Within your new project, click Deploy. Now, we can add images to the form which have been curated to assist the user in recording accurate environmental information. These can only be added after an initial deployment of the form. Click on your project, now found under the Deployed menu, and under Settings, then Media, and then click Add Document to Existing Form Files. Navigate to the Neat Images folder within the Neat Toolkit. Select all 28 PNG images and click Upload. The files should now be visible on the Settings page. Then, go back to the General Settings and click Save Changes. You will then need to redeploy the form to complete the process. Next, for the activity modules, you will follow the same steps using the Neat Activity Kobo XLS document from the Neat zip file. Enter new project details and select Create Project. There is no media to upload for the activity modules. Once again, select Deploy to start collecting data for your project. For any queries or additional technical support using the Neat, please refer to the Neat guidance notes or contact the UNEP OCHA Joint Environment Unit.